Hi everyone, and welcome back to our village life. It's always great to have you here with us. Today, we are about to give our entire countryside a huge and practical upgrade. We are installing 100 solar streetlights along all the main roads in our village. And as you can see, all of the light poles, solar panels, and lamp accessories have already been delivered and stacked neatly on site. Every piece of equipment has been carefully checked in advance to make sure there are no quality issues. This street light project has been planned for a long time because lighting has always been a big problem for us villagers. For many years, our village roads have been completely dark once the sun goes down. There are no street lights at all, making nighttime travel really difficult and risky. It is especially dangerous for elderly villagers who need to walk outside after dinner, and for kids who love to play on the village roads after school. Dark roads easily lead to falls, collisions, and other safety hazards. That's why we are so excited to start this installation project today. We will show you the entire real construction process of rural solar streetlight installation from start to finish. Before we start digging holes, our first step is to confirm every installation position along the roadside. We walk slowly along the road, mark each point carefully, and control the spacing reasonably. Uniform spacing ensures even lighting coverage, so there will be no dark areas on the village roads after the lights are installed. After all the positions are marked, we officially start digging foundation pits. The standard depth for each pit is 50 centimeters. This depth is strictly based on rural construction standards. A qualified foundation can ensure that each light pole remains stable and upright for many years, even under harsh outdoor weather conditions. After digging each pit, we clean up the inside soil and level the bottom thoroughly. No loose soil or uneven ground is allowed, because a flat and clean foundation is the basic guarantee for firm installation. Once the pit is ready, we put the steel reinforcement frame into the center position. This steel frame plays a very important reinforcing role. It locks the concrete firmly together, greatly improving the wind resistance and stability of the light pole. In rainy days, windy days, or even thunderstorms, the streetlight will not shake or tilt easily. This small detail determines the service life and safety of the entire streetlight. Next, we start pouring concrete into the pit. We fill the pit completely, tamp the concrete layer by layer tightly, and smooth the surface carefully. Every step is done slowly and seriously, because foundation work cannot be careless at all. Shoddy construction will only cause hidden dangers in the future. At this stage, we have to be very patient. Concrete needs enough time to dry, solidify, and harden naturally. We cannot rush to erect the light poles right after pouring. Only when the foundation completely hardens and becomes solid and stable can we carry out the next installation work. Good foundation work is the key to durable streetlights. This streetlight renovation is a very important project for our small village. Instead of simply inviting an external professional construction team, all the villagers in our neighborhood took the initiative to come and help. Our neighbors, elders, young people, and even middle-aged villagers all volunteered to join the construction. Everyone divides the work reasonably. Some people carry tools, some mix concrete, some dig pits, and some clean up the site. No one cares about being tired or dirty. Everyone is willing to contribute their own strength to make our village a better place. This simple and warm teamwork atmosphere is the most precious custom in our countryside. After 2 full days of continuous hard work and joint efforts by all villagers, we have finally completed the installation of all 100 solar streetlights. Looking at the scene in front of us, brand new and tidy light poles stand neatly along both sides of the village road. The whole village has taken on a completely new look. Now, all the installation work is finished, and we are waiting for the sunset to test the actual lighting effect of these solar streetlights. These are pure off-grid solar lights, which rely entirely on solar energy to work. During the daytime, the high-efficiency solar panels absorb sunlight and convert light energy into electrical energy, which is automatically stored in the built-in battery. The best part is that these streetlights require no external power supply and consume no grid electricity at all. We will never have expensive electricity bills. They are truly energy-saving, environmentally friendly, and zero-cost lighting equipment for rural areas. Even on cloudy days, the solar panels can still absorb diffused light and store enough power for nighttime use. After a full day of solar charging, each streetlight can work continuously for about 10 hours at night. The brightness is moderate and uniform, fully meeting the daily travel needs of villagers. The lamps are also waterproof, dustproof, and windproof, specially designed for outdoor rural environments, very sturdy and long-lasting. Now look at this wonderful scene. Almost every family in the village has come out to join in this project. Men, women, elders, and even young kids are all here to help out. No one stays at home. Everyone wants to do their part to brighten up our village roads. This is the most beautiful part of rural life. We always stand together and help one another when our hometown needs improvement. Everyone has their own job and we divide the work in perfect order. Some of the stronger villagers take charge of transporting the heavy light poles and equipment back and forth to each installation site. They carry, lift, and move the materials patiently, making sure every tool and every part arrives safely. Some villagers focus on assembling the streetlights on the ground. They carefully install the solar panels, fix the lamp holders, check the wires, and adjust every detail to make sure each light is assembled perfectly before lifting it up. Meanwhile, other villagers assist with the on-site installation work. They help stabilize the poles, adjust the vertical angle, assist with concrete filling, and tidy up the surrounding ground. Everyone cooperates silently and efficiently. There is no rush, no laziness, and no complaints. Even the elderly villagers stand by to help pass tools and check the work, while the children watch curiously and cheer us on. Watching everyone work together in harmony is truly heartwarming. In the city, most construction projects are done by professional workers, but in our countryside, every small change of our hometown relies on the joint efforts of all villagers. We do not work for money, we work for our home. Every sweat we shed is for safer roads and brighter nights for everyone living here. Thanks to this efficient teamwork, our installation speed has become much faster than expected. We finish one street light steadily, then move on to the next one. One after another, brand new solar light poles stand firmly along the village road. What used to be empty and dark roadside is now lined with neat and modern streetlights. The whole scene is incredibly satisfying. Step by step, our hard work pays off. Every completed light represents our expectation for a better village life. After hours of continuous teamwork, all installation procedures are finally finished. All 100 solar streetlights are successfully installed and fixed in place. Now, all the hard work is done. Let's take a moment to admire the overall look of our village. Let's walk along the road and check out the final installation effect. Every pole is straight, every panel is fixed firmly, and the whole road looks brand new and refreshing. Soon when night falls, these solar lights will light up the entire village, bringing warmth and safety to every corner of our hometown. With these brand new solar streetlights, our village nights are no longer dark and quiet. From now on, villagers can walk, chat, and travel freely and safely after dark. Elderly people can take evening walks comfortably, and children can play outside safely. The overall safety and comfort of our village life have been greatly improved. This seems like a simple lighting project, but it has brought tremendous changes to our rural life. It brightens up every road in the village and warms every villager's heart. All of this is achieved through the unity, hard work, and mutual help of every local villager. We are really satisfied and grateful for this beautiful change. Our village is becoming cleaner, brighter, and more livable little by little. If you like this rural upgrade and enjoy our authentic village life content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will keep recording more wonderful rural stories for you. Thanks for watching.